Now I am going to explain you the similarity of triangles. Whenever two triangles are similar, for example here triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Whenever these two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles are equal. So angle A is equal to angle D here, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. Then we can write like this: angle A is congruent to angle D and angle B is congruent to angle E and angle C is congruent to angle F. Not only the corresponding angles are equal, also the corresponding sides are proportional. That means AB is corresponding side to DE. If you find their ratio, that ratio is exactly equal to BC and its corresponding side is EF. And also this ratio is equal to CA over FD. Like this, these two sides are proportional and these two sides are proportional, and these two sides are in the same ratio as the other two pairs of sides. For example, if it is 5, this will be 10. Suppose if it is 7, 10 is double to 5. That means 5 times 2 is 10, 7 times 2, it should be 14. In the same way, if you take the ratio of this side, for example, this is suppose 6. 6 double, it should be 12. That means the ratio between 10 and 5 is 2. This is 14 divided by 7 is 2. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Or 6 divided by 12 is 1 over 2. Like that you can take ratios. In this way, these sides are proportional whenever the two triangles are similar. Next, I can show you like congruency rules, we have similarity rules. We have totally 3 rules. One is AA rule, or it is also called as triple A rule. Second one is triple S rule, that means 3 sides. And the third one is SAS rule of similarity. So what are these 3 rules? Let us see in detail. First one is AA rule. So if you take these two triangles the same, if whenever two angles are equal, then the two triangles are similar. So what is this AA rule says? If two angles are equal, or we can say congruent, in two triangles, then triangles are similar. Then triangles are similar. That is what this rule says. And we write the triangle similar like this. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is how we write. So let us see, next rule is triple S rule. So whenever these 3 sides are proportional, then also the two triangles are similar. For example, I wrote here just like that: AB over DE is equal to BC over EF is equal to CA over FD. That means if you see this triangle, AB and DE are the corresponding sides. The ratio between them is exactly equal to BC over EF and AC over DF. If these ratios are equal, then we can say the sides are proportional. Whenever these sides are proportional, automatically triangle ABC is going to be similar to triangle DEF. That is the rule. This is called triple S rule of similarity. And if you see the third and final rule here, that is SAS rule. For the same triangle, suppose this rule says one angle equal to one angle of the second triangle. For example, suppose if angle A is congruent to angle D, and what are the sides containing these equal angles? Here it is AB and AC, here it is DE and DF. So if angle A is equal to angle D, and also this AB over AC, if that is equal to DE over DF, whenever these the ratio of these sides containing these equal angles are in proportional, then we can say these two triangles are similar. That means triangle ABC is similar to triangle DF. This is how we have three rules. And afterwards, another property we have to remember about these similar triangles. What is the ratio of perimeters and also ratio of areas of similar triangles? These two, frequently they ask questions in the regions exams on these properties also. So for example, if I take two triangles like this, and here is another triangle that is similar to the first triangle. If this is X and this is the corresponding side, its corresponding side is Y here, then if you call and the ratio of these two sides is X is to Y. If these two triangles are similar, then ratio of perimeters is equal to same as the ratio of these sides. Ratio of perimeters of these two triangles is X over Y, or I can say X is to Y. That is the ratio of perimeters. If you take ratio of areas of these two triangles, for example, then in such a case, ratio of areas, we say here this will be ratio, it's equal to ratio of the squares of the sides. That means X square ratio with Y square. I mean X square over Y square, that ratio. Or I can say X square is to Y square. In this way, you have to remember. So if it is perimeters, same as the ratio of the sides. If it is areas, ratio of the squares of the sides, corresponding sides. In this way, you have to remember. We will apply all these in the problems. Thank you.